Hello everybody, it's Gordon here again with Finmark Designs, and in today's video we're going to show you guys how to operate your new controller with the Finmark Design sauna. So first things first, make sure everything's plugged in. Obviously it's plugged into the wall, and your heaters are all plugged in up top. And so the next thing you want to do, and just so you guys are aware, this is a touch sensitive controller, so it may take a couple times for it to calibrate to the sensitivity of your finger. That's why you always need to hold the power down for 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, there you go. So now it turned on. Now if you were just to tap this, nothing happens. So just keep that in mind. When you turn it off, you have to hold it down. Touch sensitive. There you go, turns off. So that's how you power it on and power it off. So let's go ahead and power it back on. Okay, see, it went a little bit faster that time. You have your light button here, which controls your lighting, and then you have the remote control that actually controls the colors, and then you have the lock feature, which is in another video, audio, which is another video, and USB, which is another video. But let's just show you guys how to actually operate the sauna. So super easy. Here's your temp down, here's your temp up. So you can set it all the way to 170 degrees, and it's got 60 minutes, so it'll go 60 minutes before it shuts down, and it goes in 5-minute increments. So generally what I tell people is set it for 170, set it for 60 minutes, and then get in maybe around 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes. You know, sometimes you can get in it much faster. It just depends on the ambient temperature on the outside of the sauna. But that is how easy it is to operate this sauna. And so we take away all the you know, gadgets and everything else, make it super simple, because we'd rather put all of our money and R&D into the heaters, which is the most important part of an infrared sauna. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can send a support ticket, you can call us, or shoot us an email. And as always, have a wonderful and healthy day. Bye-bye.